I'm in Frankenstein right now. Today I'm going to install the speakers. Simple. First thing first, take off the door panel. Only thing you got to do is there's 5 screws. There's one right there, one right there. I got to prop this trim piece. There's one there, there's one on the outside, and one at the bottom. Once you take those out, you can just slide it up and pull it out. Let's take care of this. I took the mounting ring off of this speaker and bolted it onto this one so I can bolt it on the door. Check out this. 25 watts. That's all this is. 25 watts. This is 80. So it should sound a lot better. Now with this mounting ring on it, it takes 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. I should be able to mount it in the door. So let's do this. Okay, other speaker in. Okay, put this door panel back on and I'll be done with the doors. Tomorrow I might do the back speakers, but today it's time for a beer. Until next video, I'll see you.